Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that affects millions of people around the world: depression. Depression is a serious mental health condition that can significantly impact a person's quality of life. It's characterized by feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable. If left untreated, depression can lead to problems with sleep, appetite, and even suicidal thoughts. But the good news is that depression is treatable, and there are a variety of effective treatments available. In this video, we'll be discussing the signs and symptoms of depression, as well as some of the different treatment options that are available. First, let's talk about the signs and symptoms of depression. Some common symptoms of depression include persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness, loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable, changes in appetite and weight, difficulty sleeping or oversleeping, fatigue and lack of energy, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, difficulty concentrating or making decisions, thoughts of death or suicide. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional. There are a variety of different treatment options available for depression, including therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Therapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can be very effective in treating depression. CBT helps individuals identify negative thought patterns and replace them with more positive, adaptive thoughts. Medications, such as antidepressants, can also be very effective in treating depression, particularly when used in combination with therapy. In addition to therapy and medication, there are also some lifestyle changes that can help manage depression. Exercise has been shown to be particularly effective in reducing symptoms of depression, as has maintaining a healthy diet and getting enough sleep. In conclusion, depression is a serious mental health condition that can significantly impact a person's quality of life. But with the right treatment, it's possible to manage and overcome depression. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression, please seek help from a mental health professional. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.